Mufango iro hurito jekini bururi wa Sweden utanyito gutumagira takataka irire gutagwo icigo itiganite kaunti-ini ino kuongerera mahinya ma thitima undu umwe na kugashiria maria maturigiceirie.
This will be a very successful project and this county will be really in the forefront of Kenya.
Our contribution will not be so much in cash, but actually will be in terms of the land where the factory is going to be set and the waste that is already was a problem to us, but we didn't know it was going to turn out to be money and an investment going forward.
Akiritho akwandikanira kandarathi na gavana wa gicigo kia Ostgoland, gavana wa kaunti ya Uasin Gishu Jackson Madago, na ugite mufango uyu gutithirira na njira nene guthondeka mieke ya mawira.
We have visited a working waste management system in Sweden. Not the briefcase carriers that have been moving around this country saying, oh, we do waste and there is nothing. We've really seen waste being turned into energy, being turned into other valuable products.
The advantage is when you succeed, you will improve the environment, you will have a resource efficiency, efficient society, the nature will be cleaner, and you can produce your own energy from the waste.
Mufango utanyitwo kwambĩrĩrio gĩcigo-inĩ gĩa Keep Karen kuria takataka nyingĩ ikoragwo igĩteo na nĩ utanyitwo gukuruhania ministry ya mahinya nĩguo kuũkinyanĩria. Ngĩripotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rakwa nĩ Ngugi wa Gatua.